guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project on the bench, the Peterbilt tanker truck from the movie Duel. And for it, I'm going to be starting with AMT's California Hauler Pete 359. This is an original early 70s release of the kit. I know Round 2 has reissued it recently, and as far as I know, there's not really a whole lot of difference between that and this kit. But I have had this one in the stash for a while to build as the dual truck, and I am finally going to be starting it. I'm not going to take a full look at everything in the kit, but just a quick look at the box here. And some nice classic box art. A little worse for wear after this many years, but not too bad. Yeah, right up on the truck. And a call out for the free information booklet. Something that I'm sure every modeler needs to check out. More details on what comes in the kit. And this is not an entirely stock kit. I did pick up a few aftermarket items over the years to add to it. The first of which is from American International Truck Models. I've got a corrected hood and front fenders for the dual truck. You can see there it's also got the bumper and the headlights, as well as a set of 5-hole wheels. Got those ready to go. And for the kit itself, it does in fact include the original torturing truck tires in Texas from Goodyear. And it is a full brochure just to let you know what's going on with them. Now, that is something you do not see in model kits anymore. We've also got a Goodyear sticker. A little worse for wear. That stickum is completely gone by now. We've got the original decal sheet. And not too bad considering the age of it. I'm not going to try to use any of them. We've got the instructions with a supplemental for the sleeper. If I remember correctly, this kit was originally issued without the sleeper, and that was one of the reissues. So this isn't the first release of it, but it was from that period. And got the cab. Yeah, most of the chrome stuff here. A couple of pieces have fallen off over the years. Yeah. All the tires, which I've separated and bagged just in case. And we're going to just call it everything else. Not going to go through the usual review of the kit, since this is pretty much how I got this. And after so many years and who knows how many owners, a bunch of pieces have come off the sprues. The only thing that seems to have been assembled so far is somebody started in on the engine. And while it's not the cleanest work, that should be able to be salvaged with little effort. There's all that. That's the truck. And the thing that was kind of holding me up on this whole project was the other part of it, the trailer. And I just recently found out that Keystone Aluminum Model Miniatures makes an actual dual tank. So, got one of these. It's 3D printed, and you can see it does have some texture to it. But considering the condition of the truck, I think with a little bit of sanding, that'll either disappear or I'll just be able to make it part of the look of it. It comes in 2 parts with keyholes there so that things will line up. You get no other hardware, so I will be rating the parts box for the axles, the suspension, and everything else that I need. Probably out of Lindbergh's Dodge tanker truck, since year before last I used the cab itself. I've got all the trailer bits left over. I should be able to use some of those on this. And yeah. So, I finally have everything that I need for the Duel truck. And that is going to be the current project. So I will have an update on it next week. So check back then, and thanks for watching.